Welcome to Mr. Lacey's Phonics. What you're going to need for this lesson is a piece of paper and something to write with. Remember parents, feel free to pause this video at any point if your child needs any extra time. And our sound today is air. Air. Let's try that one more time. Air. I'm going to hide it in my pack of cards now. Let's see if we can find it. B. Eh. Oi. E. Air. There's our sound of the day, air. I'm going to hide it one more time. Ow. Ooh or G. O. Air. Let's have a look at some words with the air sound in it. Air. On its own, it makes the sound air, but it's also a word in its own right. We breathe in air. Have a go at writing that word on your piece of paper now. Air, chair, chair. We might need to sit on a chair. Have a go at writing chair on your piece of paper now. Air, air, hair. We might have a lot of hair on our head. Have a go at writing hair on your piece of paper now. Air, air, fair. We might sometimes go to a fair. Have a go at writing fair on your piece of paper now. Stairs, stairs, stairs. We might go up and down stairs. Have a go at writing stairs on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some high frequency words. These are words that we read more often when we're reading. I like this word, we. We. We are all in this together. Have a go at writing we on your piece of paper now. Of. Of course, you can write this on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some sentences with our words in it. You have a lot of hair. You have a lot of hair. Have a go at writing you have a lot of hair on your piece of paper now. Remember to include your punctuation. We go downstairs, stairs. We go downstairs. Have a go at writing we go downstairs on your piece of paper now. Let's sound this one out together. Can I sit sit on a chair. Chair. Can I sit on a chair? Have a go at writing, can I sit on a chair? On your piece of paper now. Remember to put a question mark. Well done everybody, and I hope to see you here again soon for some more phonics.